My name is Samuel Spina, and I've been part of Agrumaria Reggina since 2023. My role is Junior Recipe Management and Quality Control Technician in the Essential Oil and Derivates division, and my main responsibility is to ensure that every essential oil meets the required standards, contributing to each stage of the production process. I joined Agrumaria Reggina with a diploma in chemical expertise, and this represents my first professional experience in the sector. From the very beginning, I found myself in a dynamic, welcoming and stimulating environment, where collaboration and innovation are at the core of every activity. This opportunity has allowed me to apply my knowledge and deepen my understanding of essential oils, an industry I had previously known only from a theoretical perspective. What I appreciate the most is the team that has formed within the laboratory. Working alongside experienced and passionate colleagues makes every workday engaging and enriching. The continuous exchange of ideas and mutual support enable us to tackle daily challenges effectively, constantly improving our skills. During this time, I realized how fundamental accuracy, attention to details, and teamwork are in ensuring high-quality products. At the same time, I have learned how valuable it is to be in a role that challenges me every day, helping me grow and develop professionally.